Press the bell icon to never miss a video from PopXO Daily.
Hey guys, I'm Nilima and today here at PopXO to share my journey with you all.
My name is Meher. I am 25 years old. I'm from Delhi.
My name is Kritika Singh and I'm from Delhi.
My journey of COVID-19 and how I recovered and came out of it.
I recovered from COVID and this is my story. So it all started on 25th of May when I started feeling a little tired and I had a very bitter metallic taste in my mouth.
For the first 4-5 days, I had mild fever which touched 101 degrees maximum.
So मुझे symptoms आने last month start हुए. Symptoms जैसे कि fever, cough, congestion, fatigue and weakness.
And after 4-5 days, I started to have another symptom which is loss of taste and smell.
Recently, two people who stay in our building, one is an essential worker and one is my house help, had fallen sick. They had been quarantined and been given all the medical help.
I don't know how did I get the virus because I cannot blame the person of my family because everybody else is safe luckily.
तो जब ये symptoms मैंने observe करे तो मुझे लगा कि ये हो सकता है कि ये normal viral है या common flu है because I did not go out. मैं कहीं पे भी बाहर नहीं गई थी. मुझे doubt भी नहीं था कि ये COVID हो सकता है.
It was just me who got the virus. It was just me who got all the symptoms. So it might be anything that we buy on our regular basis, our needs that we buy.
5 से 6 दिन के बाद जब मेरी सेंस ऑफ टेस्ट एंड स्मेल भी पूरी तरह चली गई तो मुझे ये नॉर्मल वायरल से कुछ ज़्यादा लगा.
After 6 to 7 days, I had another symptom which was a breathing issue, which was a serious issue.
On 29th of May, I woke up with a fever. The fever was very mild, around 99, but there was a terrible pain in my back, my head and my legs, and I called my doctor. He told me to take like a 3-day course of normal fever medications and to take rest and not to worry. But over the next 2 days, मेरा temperature 102 तक पहुंच गया था.
I never faced a breathing problem ever in my life, and this turned out to be, this had some negative effects on my mind.
Mentally, I was feeling so weak कि अगर मुझे कोई सामने वाला कोई बात कह रहा है, I could not understand it, I could not register it. I just was not feeling like myself at all. But on the 4th day, my temperature came down, but I started developing a very mild cough.
I had to calm myself down because I knew that this is the only way to get out of any, problem in your life.
Over the next few days, I started having slight breathing issues, and on the 6th day, I lost my smell and taste. Like it was there, but it was barely there. On the 7th day, it went away completely.
And I thought कि मुझे COVID test कराना चाहिए and I did and the result came out to be positive.
This whole thing lasted for around 8 days.
And unfortunately, at the time I had this symptom, it was not an official symptom in India for diagnosis. So I had a hard time convincing my doctor to get myself tested.
So it was very, very challenging to get the test done, especially in Delhi.
It was very convenient and systematically done.
The testing process itself was not very uncomfortable.
मैंने SRL Labs के से टेस्ट बुक किया था and बुक करने के next day वो आ गए थे.
The doctor himself gave me a number of a diagnostic lab.
It was slightly painful because the swab goes all the way in your nose and your throat.
तो मुझे कोई challenge face नहीं हुआ टेस्ट कराने में.
The procedure of getting the prescription to actually getting tested was very long.
It was around 4 days for the test as well as the reports to be there in my hand.
और मेरी रिपोर्ट्स भी बहुत टाइमली आ चुकी थी.
And जब मुझे अपने रिपोर्ट्स मिली कि मैं पॉजिटिव हूँ, मैंने अपने डॉक्टर को इन्फॉर्म करा एंड अथॉरिटीज से भी कॉल आया.
मेरे डॉक्टर ने गाइड किया था. He suggested me to go for home quarantine. मेरे सिम्टम्स को देखने के बाद
I had 2 options, either to self quarantine myself at home or go to a hospital, and I chose hospitalization.
Considering my case, my symptoms at the time, उन्होंने मेरे को home isolation recommend करा.
I was lacking oxygen. It was very difficult for me, and I wasn't able to breathe properly at all. My oxygen level dropped down completely.
मुझे अपने सिम्टम्स उतने सिवियर नहीं लगे थे कि मुझे इमीडिएटली हॉस्पिटलाइज होने की नीड है. एंड आई थॉट कि बिकॉज कैपेसिटी लिमिटेड है तो सिवियर केसेस को ही हॉस्पिटलाइज होने का चांस मिलना चाहिए.
I just got isolated in a room.
मेरी पूरी फैमिली ने इमीडिएट एक्शन लिया था. मुझसे आइसोलेट हो गए थे वो.
And I was provided food in a use and throw plate, and I used to just eat it and throw it somewhere in a plastic bag that I kept near me.
We never used to interact with each other.
I separated my utensils. I asked my mother to wear a mask and I also wore a mask around her.
The whole house was sanitized twice.
कॉमन गाइडलाइंस हैं जो गवर्नमेंट भी बोलती है कि अब गर्म पानी पीजिए, स्टीम लीजिए, टर्मरिक वाटर और काढ़ा, तो वो सारे मेजर्स मेरी फैमिली भी ऑब्जर्व कर रही थी।
To wear gloves and sanitize and wash hands properly after every 20 minutes. So they all took care of themselves, and luckily nobody else got any symptom of COVID-19.
Authorities did connect with me the next day I got my report, and उन्होंने मुझसे सारी डिटेल्स ली थी because I was a mild case and home isolation was an option.
Yes, the government definitely reached out to me after the confirmation. My husband received a call regarding the same, and it was confirmed that there's a COVID positive patient at our home.
जैसे ही मेरी रिपोर्ट्स पॉजिटिव आई थी तो हमें गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से कॉल आ रही थी और ऑलमोस्ट ऑन अ डेली बेसिस चेक रखने के लिए कि मेरे सिम्टम्स क्या हैं।
The government asked about everything, all the symptoms, noted out everything, asked about the family members, number of family members.
So there were certain conditions that they asked me about, and I told them that I have a separate washroom, I do have a doctor I can connect with, and they allowed me for home isolation.
वो डेली यही पूछते थे कि आपके सिम्टम्स वर्स तो नहीं हो रहे और या किसी चीज़ की नीड तो नहीं है। सो आई वॉज प्रीटी हैप्पी अबाउट दैट कि काफ़ी रिस्पॉन्सिबल कॉल था उनका।
All the family members were quarantined for 15 to 20 days. So it was basically 18 days, exactly 18 days. For how long?
They did not send any medication, but they did mention that they would, but they did not.
उन्होंने हमारे घर के बाहर पोस्टर भी लगा दिया था कि ये क्वारंटीन हो गई है बिल्डिंग।
And उसके नेक्स्ट डे पे कुछ गवर्नमेंट वर्कर्स आए, उन्होंने मेरा बिल्डिंग का एंट्री वे सैनिटाइज करा, एंड उसके 2 दिन बाद फिर गवर्नमेंट वर्कर्स आए और उन्होंने मेरे घर के सामने एक सर्कुलर लगाया which mentioned my isolation period and the fact that nobody could leave or enter my floor.
मेडिकल किट्स हमें प्रोवाइड नहीं हुए थे एंड टेस्ट भी हम लोगों ने फैमिली ने खुद कराए थे, गवर्नमेंट ने नहीं कराए थे।
It was all a mental game that I had to play. Though physically also, you have to be strong.
By the time I got my results, I feel my recovery had already started because मेरे symptoms जो थे वो अपने आप कम होने स्टार्ट हो गए थे. My appetite was still gone, the loss of smell and taste was still there.
जब मेरी रिपोर्ट्स नेगेटिव हो गई तो सबके माइंड में एक जो ऑलमोस्ट अ मंथ से स्ट्रेस चल रहा था वो रिलीव हो गया। Everybody was very happy and relaxed.
Eating healthy, staying healthy helped me a lot in recovering.
There was no fever, only like a mild cough and slight breathlessness. So my doctor did not recommend any medications to me, just gave me some supplements, told me to take good care of myself and rest.
And I followed all the things that were mentioned and that are told by the doctors, to take proper steam, to have hot water.
जब मेरी डॉक्टर से बात हुई तो उन्होंने मुझे सजेस्ट किया कि नेगेटिव होने के 3-4 दिन या 1 हफ्ते तक भी मैं आइसोलेशन में ही रहूं।
And I was just doing all the home remedies that are there.
My biggest advice would be to work on your immunity levels.
Even if you catch the virus, you just have to beat it by being very, very mentally strong.
Please do not be anxious. Try to educate yourself. Try to be aware of what the rules are, what is supposed to be done if a situation like this arises.
कोरोना का इम्पैक्ट आप पे कितना सिवियर होता है, that all depends on your immunity.
And we have to make sure that we start our isolation early so that we have to prevent the spread of this further. That's the only way we can protect others and ourselves at this point.
You're more stronger to fight the virus, and then again you have to wear proper mask if you go out, wear proper gloves and sanitize yourself every 20 minutes. Sanitize your hands. Foremost and most important thing is to sanitize your hands every 20 minutes.
अगर आपकी इम्यूनिटी स्ट्रॉन्ग होगी तो ये गारंटी नहीं है कि आपको कोरोना होगा या नहीं, बट वो जो सिवियर सिम्टम्स आते हैं, सिवियर ब्रीदिंग इश्यूज एंड क्रिटिकल सिम्टम्स, वो शायद आपको उतने सिवियर ना हो।
And if you know anybody who is going through this, my only request to you is please be kind to them. Don't make it any worse than it already is. And if you can, please help them out in getting groceries or essentials, and in whatever way you can. Don't shun them and don't shame them for being sick.